King Charles III was advised to urgently distance himself completely from Prince Andrew, amid the release of new court documents about the disgraced Duke and Jeffrey Epstein. The king has no option but to completely cut ties with Andrew, a royal insider spilled. He will forever be tainted by his association with Epstein, and despite his denials of wrongdoing, the constant drip of information about Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell is a stain on the royal family. There is no way back for him. Andrew should have no place in public alongside the king or any other member of the royal family, the source added. The advice comes amid the documents showing that an Epstein's slave, Jane Doe III, stated that she was forced to engage in sexual activity with the Duke of York. The papers shared that the underage girl was forced to have sexual relations with this prince when she was a minor in 3 separate geographical locations. The revelations have now pushed the ongoing Andrew situation the monarchy has faced for over 4 years, into the nuclear territory when it comes to public perception. There are also fresh calls from anti-crown activists for the king himself to publicly address the dire new evidence. I have reported Andrew to the police, aware that the Met claims to have looked into this before. To date, there appears to have been no serious criminal investigation, no interview of the accused or other witnesses, and no clear justification for taking no action, Graham Smith, the CEO of the anti-monarchist group Republic, stated. I am calling on the Met to reopen this case. I am calling on MPs to debate this affair in Parliament. And I am calling on Charles to make a public statement, in front of the press and taking questions, to respond to these allegations and what they say about the monarchy. What to do with a problem like Prince Andrew? It's the unwelcome conundrum the royal family has faced for more years than they care to recall, royal expert Russell Myers wrote. But now, the stakes are higher. Barely a year into his reign, King Charles faces an immediate decision on whether to perform a U-turn and banish his brother for good. He continued, deciding to bring the disgraced Duke in from the cold was almost entirely against public opinion, and much of his own family's wishes. The king ordered his family to get on board and welcome Andrew back for the odd appearance, a decision which, despite family bonds, is looking increasingly erroneous. Daily Mirror reported on the insider revelations and published Myers' statement.